Once upon a time, in a village, there lived an old man named Kamela. He was known for his wisdom and was loved by everyone in the village. One day, a person from a nearby village came to him and said, "Mr. Kamela, my village is in dire need of a lamp that can guide them in the dark. Please, give me your idea to make one." Kamela thought for a while and then said, "I will give you my idea, but you must promise to be patient and have courage." The person nodded and said, "All right, I promise to be patient and have courage." Kamela then told him how to make the lamp. He took a piece of chopped mat, spread it on a flat surface, and carefully placed a piece of coal on it. With a fine layer of oil, he began to apply it on the coal. As the oil spread, the coal became illuminated. He continued this process until the entire mat was illuminated. The person was amazed and asked, "How did you do this, Kamela?" Kamela replied, "Patience and courage are the limits of human potential. When you overcome these limits, great things can be achieved." The person left the village with the lamp and used it to guide his village to success and prosperity. The story of Kamela's lamp is a reminder that with patience and courage, no limit can be reached.